Ahoy, mateys! Ah! Captain Chet here. Today we're enjoying the bounty of the Texas Sea, eating some of the biggest shrimp I ever saw with my own eyes. Wow, didn't realize the seas were so rough in here. But it seems I'm a little wet for this video. I better go in.
All right, non-Captain Chet here, and today we are looking at Go Texan partner and professional shrimp wrangler, Philly Seafood, out of Palacios, Texas. So these guys have over 60 years of shrimping heritage in their family, and today we have some of their wild Texas brown shrimp. They get flash frozen on the boat, and now they're here for us to enjoy. These are monstrous. It is a little hard to prepare shrimp here at the Texan table, so let's take a little field trip, shall we? All right, guys, welcome to my backyard. It's a little different for me to be back here cooking for y'all. Sort of feel like Julia Childs meets Rachel Ray, just a little beardier. So here's what I did. I took the wild Texas brown shrimp. I thawed them, so they ended up looking like this. Then I de-shelled them and deveined them, all right?
What's a vein?
What's a vein? Well, Daniel, we don't like to talk about it, but it's the shrimp poop chute. So you gotta get that out.
I knew, I just had to hear you say it.
Gotta get some seasoning on them and then let them set for just a little while. So oil, essential. I've got some of the Austin Gourmet Foods lemon infused oil, perfect for seafood. And then blackened shrimp, ain't nothing better. Here's some of the HEB blackened seasoning. It does a fantastic job. You know, get them all up in there, depending on how spicy you like it. I'm quite a fan of spice. I got a very special thing for you guys. I'm gonna make some shrimp ceviche for y'all. You see those? Do you see those? These guys have been sitting in just pure lime juice overnight, and as you can tell, it's cooked them. So what all do you need in ceviche? Well, you need the meat. I got Texas shrimp. You gotta have some tomatoes, onions, peppers, pico de gallo. I also love a little avocado in a ceviche. In my opinion, you can never have too much lime. Good ceviche's kind of like a pot of beans. It only gets better over time. So enjoy it while it is fresh, but don't be scared to put it in your fridge because it's gonna sit there and keep marinating. Oh my gosh, that is delicious. The thing holding it all together are some really good Texas shrimp. All right, now it is time to throw these shrimp on la plancha. So shrimp don't need long to cook. Like we're talking just a couple minutes on either side. All right. So all the shrimp are ready to come off. One of the cardinal sins of any shrimp taco, not warming up your corn tortillas. Grab some of these beautiful Texas brown shrimp right there. God, I once heard a man say that if you can count the number of shrimp on your taco, then they did it wrong. But I think they're doing it wrong because it means their shrimp are too tiny. Like, these shrimp are monstrous. I can't fit more than 4 on this taco. Diablo Verde. I love a good spicy green sauce. Gonna add our little shredded lettuce, a little bit of purple cabbage for color, and come back here, get our avocado. Some queso fresco, which is like, you know, just kind of a very mild, crumbly cheese. Can never have too much lime. I'm just gonna go back here and sit and think about that taco bite. Oh, that's good. That is a good taco. I've been transported to the Texas coast right there. All the toppings are delicious, but at the end of the day, it comes down to the shrimp. These are amazing shrimp. If you guys wanna learn more about Philly Seafood, the Go Texan program, or all the amazing shrimp that we're catching here in Texas, go to gotexan.org. And I'll see y'all on the road after I eat the rest of this taco.